In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Truist Bank routing number on their app. So if you've been wondering where to locate this essential piece of information, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive in and make this process super simple and straightforward for you. First things first, you'll need to open your Truist Bank app on your device. Make sure you have it installed properly and it's up to date, as having the latest version ensures smooth navigation and access to all the necessary features. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Be sure to enter them carefully to avoid any potential login errors. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial to protecting your account information. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click the Sign In button to access your account. This will take you directly to the application's homepage where you'll see an overview of your account and various options for management. On the homepage, you'll want to focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the View All option. Tapping on this will open a more detailed view of your accounts and any associated cards. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple accounts with Truist Bank, as it allows you to manage and view each one individually. Now that you have the more detailed view open, take a look at the list of your accounts. Browse through to locate the specific account for which you'd like to find the routing number. Once you've identified the correct account, simply tap on it to view more details. Within the account details, you should find various pieces of information relating to your account. Among these details, you'll find your routing number. It's that easy. The routing number is typically used for setting up direct deposits and making ACH transfers, so having it readily accessible is quite beneficial. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily locate your routing number through the Truist Bank app without any hassle. If you ever need to find it again in the future, just follow these steps and you'll have the information right at your fingertips. Feel free to pause or replay this video if you need to go over any of these steps again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Have a great day, and until next time, take care.